ahead to Advanced Auto and AutoZone. They did not have what we needed. I needed a new intake filter, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that online. But nonetheless, Happy New Year's, everybody. Welcome back to another video. This video definitely is going to be exciting because we have a new mod for the GTI. So go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video out to everybody. We need that, we need the subs. We need the subs, you know what I'm saying? Also, I want to wish everybody, you know, blessings this 2025. Nothing but greatness happens for everybody, because, you know, this is a year that everybody needs to really be locked in. Okay, no time to play games. No time to play games. So I wish everybody nothing but blessings. Here we have a carbon fiber steering wheel for my car. I had already taken it out the package because my girlfriend got it for me for Christmas. Shout out to her. So that's what we're doing today. We are going to be changing my stock steering wheel to a carbon fiber steering wheel. I will leave the link in the description down below of where she got it from. But this thing really looks beautiful. I don't even lie. I've been waiting to do this mod to my car for about some time now. This thing is beautiful. Pre-detonation, the airbags blown up inside. I went ahead and disconnected the battery from the ground wire from the battery for 15 minutes. You could do 15 minutes to 30 minutes. I did about like 20 minutes just so all the systems can disengage and turn off, just so when you're unplugging the airbag, it does not blow up inside of your face. So this is my first time doing this for the GTI. I went ahead and followed this forum. This is the forum that I went ahead and followed. I'm gonna leave the link inside the description and also inside of the video so that you guys can go ahead and do this yourself. The first steps, key, put it in ignition, turn it to the second on position. No, nothing is gonna happen. For that reason, you wanna turn the wheel left and right 90 degrees from the center point. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. That's about right there. Leave the key in. Then you are going to take your flathead. On the back of the steering wheel, the airbag slits into these. There are 2 points right here. So on the airbag, there's going to be like a little loop that you want to basically push down and then push away so that it could disengage from the steering wheel. You're going to do both for both sides, and then the airbag literally just comes out, and then in the middle there is going to be a harness that you click out and you take out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on the stock steering wheel. Now we got the airbag off, we need to take off this 12mm triple square bolt. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now, and then after that everything should just come off with ease. Every time you take apart this bolt, it does have thread lock on it. Every time you take apart this bolt, you want to mark it so that whenever you do go to change it again, you know that you are previously taking that bolt out. So now everything should just come apart. Voila. So now we put the new steering wheel on in the same exact position that we took it off. On the steering wheel and the steering wheel column, you're gonna see like little marks. You probably can't see it because there you go, there's little marks right there. And on the wheel itself, you want those to line up, and you don't ever want to move the clock spring because it messes up your orientation of how you basically took off the steering wheel and put the steering wheel back on. So we're gonna go ahead and try to align those and then mark this the bolt. Got the steering bolt on and the steering wheel. Now we need to go ahead and tighten this down to 37 pounds of torque. Now you just reassemble everything as it was. So this connector goes right here for the controls, and then this is the connector that goes right there to activate the airbag in case we get in an accident, God forbid. Everything is on. Now I need to go ahead and put this back up. go. Everything is back on. This thing looks really, really good. I'm not even gonna lie. It looks really, really good inside the car. Got the carbon right here, carbon right here, carbon right here. It just adds that touch. Now we need to go ahead and turn on the car. Well, connect the battery, then turn on the car. Pre-detonation. Okay, nothing there. We good. We're good. Let's go. I'm excited to present that I will be partnering up with Vinyl Frog for a partial sponsorship. Vinyl Frog has over 100 new colors. You have from exterior wrap colors, interior wrap colors, and also PPFs. So if you want to save on your next transaction for your wraps, use the code TheRealGeorgie5 to save 5% on all your transaction needs. This will help you get your car to where you want it to be, whatever way you need it to be. Now let's get back to the video. Peace. So let's see if all the buttons work. So this is the volume button. Let's go. So far, the steering wheel feels good. I'm not even gonna lie. It feels really good. Side cases. I already damaged the wheel in the back, so you can't even see it. It's kind of annoying me because I know it's there. So I'm gonna have to see what I could do about that, but so far everything feels good. The patent leather feels good. What up, YouTube? It's the next day. I'm slightly coming up with a cold, sadly. That's why you hear my voice. I'm stuffy and it sounds really groggy, but I have the steering wheel in. It feels really nice. I drove with it, everything. It feels really nice. The patent leather feels really nice. But besides that, I do have some ideas that I want to do for the car this upcoming season. I definitely want to camber the car, like I said. I've been looking at new wheels, new colors. Y'all comment down below what color I should do next and what wheel choice that y'all think I'm gonna go with, as well as, you know, finish up the interior, because everybody's been telling me to do to my interior. So adding the carbon steering wheel is definitely a part of the interior, but I also want to fix my headliner once again, put in new seats. So yeah, y'all comment what y'all want to see. Now, also been thinking about doing like a car review series, you know, stance cars, fast cars, you name it. Mostly stance cars though, because as you see, I am a stance person. So I definitely been trying to incorporate that in my YouTube and just going along with everything I do in a day-to-day basis, especially daily vlogs as well. Well, lifestyle vlogs, not daily vlogs, but lifestyle vlogs. Oh, my lips are pretty chapped. I'm sorry. But yeah, I've been trying to incorporate that. I don't know where I'd start or how I'd start, but I know I definitely want to incorporate, you know, car views inside of the vlogs going forward. So if you have anybody that's, you know, has a stance car, especially around my way, because I live in New York, and they don't want to get their car reviewed, hit me up on IG, TheRealGeorgie_. I'm a friendly dude. I'll respond, you know, and we could talk about, you know, where we go forward with doing the car review, especially if you have a nice build. I definitely want to review some nice builds and so on. So yeah, currently I'm in the car.